Oh! Okay. There we go. Camera, I think this is the camera thing. Not exactly sure. AC. Get up here and walk down the bus. This is a least 2021 Bluebird Vision. Child check. Surprising that I've seen this before. I have no clue what it does. Your noise suppression and defroster. Actually, mirror heaters. Actually, these are heated mirrors. Your fans, interior, exterior speaker, light controls, panel dimmer, ignition switch. When this bus was made, it is a 2021. And this is a 22 model year. So, yep, you got your AC. See when this bus is due again. Let's see, year 2022. Oh wait, that's the inspection sticker. Trying to find the Ross. There's the VIN number. I don't know if you can really see that. Your heater controls. Rear heater. This bus has a lot more options than that, but it's got 20,000 miles. You can see that.